Hello everyone. So today we'll talk about the sex estimation in the prehistoric skeletal remain. Generally the skeletal remain for male and females obviously would be having some differences in terms of shape and size. So take care of the characteristics on sexual dimorphism. Sexual dimorphism means that you'll be able to tell from the bone itself whether this skeletal remain is a male or a female specimen. So generally speaking, Rankalaki, they have uh, the skeletal remains would be generally bigger, longer, wider, thicker, and robust looking compared to women would be gracile. So this is the overall picture of the skeletal remains of male and female putting next to each other. First, we go through the sexual dimorphism on the skeletal, the cranial. There are five characteristics here, so just quickly go through. There are knuckle crest, mastoid process, supraorbital margin, supraorbital ridge or glabella, and the mental eminence. So basically, how to use this chart is uh, towards one, it would be more feminine characteristics. Towards five is more robust, more masculine. So when you receive a sample, you wouldn't have very rarely you have all characteristics available to you. So what you can do is based on whatever information you have, you just score through. For example, knuckle crest on this specimen, if it is towards one or two characteristics, and just score through down the list, and in the end you look at your result. If it's towards one or two, so you're dealing with a female specimen. On the other hand, if you're scoring four or five mostly, it means you're dealing with a male specimen. Next is the sexual dimorphism can be seen on the pelvic area. So you can go through as well. So these are more like whether it's there or not for female and male. You can see the ventral arch is present here and is absent here. The subpubic concavity, it is present in female and not present in male, and so on. For greater sciatic notch, you can see for male it is more narrow while in female is wider. And and the next slide you can see when compare female and male pelvic next to each other, you can see that the space, the cavity here, it is generally bigger compared to male. Because in female, it is anatomically designed so that when giving birth, the baby can pass through the pelvic easily. So that's all for this slide on sex estimation.